difference between RISC and CISC. Next topic is the difference between RISC and CISC. The difference between RISC and CISC. Next topic is difference between RISC and CISC. It is reduced instruction set computer. This one is complex instruction set computer. Complex instruction set computers. Okay. Second difference is its emphasis. Its emphasis on software. Its emphasis on software. And CISC, its emphasis on hardware. Okay, this is the second difference between RISC and CISC. Third one, third difference is about register, and here about memory. Okay, so how we can differentiate this on the basis of register and memory. Register, load and store are independent of instructions. Register, load and store, register, load and store are independent of instruction. Okay, then memory, load and store are memory, load and store are incorporated. ठीक है, इसमें जो लोड होता है या स्टोर होता है वो क्या है, इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस रहता है. एंड लोड एंड स्टोर आर इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन द CISC computer. Fourth one is large. This RISC consists of large code size. And CISC consists of CISC consists of small code size. Okay, these are the four difference point of RISC and CISC. RISC is the reduced instruction set computer. CISC is a complex instruction set computer. Its emphasis on software, its emphasis on hardware. Register load and store are independent of instructions. Memory load and store are incorporated. This RISC consists of large code size and this CISC consists of small code size. These are the difference point between RISC and CISC. RISC and CISC. Okay, next the features of various types of microcontrollers and its application. Okay, as we have seen applications of embedded systems. Okay, but next topic is some features and application of specific microcontrollers. For example, 89C, 51, AVR, PIC. These are the microcontrollers, and we will see the features of these microcontrollers and application of these microcontrollers. Okay. So next topic is features of 89C, PIC, AVR microcontroller and its application. So 89C51, first one is 89C51 microcontroller. Okay, so it is a 8-bit microcontroller and belongs to Atmel 8051 family. Okay, this one is 8-bit microcontroller and belongs to the Atmel 8051 family. Okay, so we will see its features. Which are they? Features of 89C51. First one is compatible with MCS51 products. MCS51 के जो प्रोडक्ट्स है उसके साथ ये कंफर्ट है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट फीचर ऑफ दिस. Second one, fully static operation. Fully static operation. Fully static operation, that is 0 Hz to 24 Hz to 24 Hz. 0 Hz to 24 Hz. Then 3-level programming memory lock. 3-level programming memory lock. Fourth one is Fourth one is 128 byte internal RAM. 128 byte internal RAM. 128 bytes internal RAM. Then two 16-bit timers and counters. Two 16 bits timers and counters. 6 interrupt sources. 6 interrupt sources. 6 interrupt sources. Low power idle and power down modes. Low power idle and power down modes. Power down modes. Okay, so this 89051 microcontroller having this much some specific features. Okay, compatible with means comfort with the MCS 51 products, fully static operation from 0 Hz to 24 Hz. Sorry, it's not Hertz, it's megahertz. From 0 Hz to 24 megahertz. 24 megahertz. Then 3-level programming memory code. Then 128 bytes internal RAM, two 16-bit timer counters, 6 interrupt sources, low power idle and power down modes. These are the features of the 89051 microcontroller. Okay,